For Mother Nature, biological sex isn't always an either-or proposition. Some species come with simultaneously functioning female and male organs. Others change from female to male or vice versa, depending on need or surrounding conditions. Here are 10 creatures that offer a fascinating glimpse into the many ways sex can develop. Bright orange with 3 white bars, clownfish are sequential hermaphrodites, born one sex but able to switch to the other if necessary. In this case, the about face, which is called protandry, runs from male to female. Here's how it works. Clownfish live in groups where only 2 members are sexually mature, a large male and an even larger female. The rest are smaller, sexually immature males. If something happens to the female in the breeding pair, her male mate transforms into a female and selects the next biggest male in the group to become her new partner. These vibrantly colored harem dwellers are protogynous, starting off as females that can morph into males when conditions call for it. Typically, this happens when the harem's male leader takes on too many females, prompting the largest female to turn into a male hawkfish and split away with half the harem. But that's not the hawkfish's only trick. Unlike most other sequential hermaphrodites that make the switch and stick with it, hawkfish can switch back again. Female-turned-male hawkfish may revert to female if, say, their new harem loses to many females, or if a larger male challenges them. Black sea bass, found throughout the US, from Maine to the Florida Keys, are protogynous hermaphrodites, animals that can change from female to male. Research of sea bass in tanks has revealed that the sex change may be related to supply and demand. When female sea bass observe a decrease in the male population in an adjacent tank, they switch. Another protogynous hermaphrodite is the Humphead wrasse. Beginning at about 9 years of age, the Humphead wrasse is able to change from female to male. Along with sex, the coloration of the Humphead wrasse will change from reddish-orange female to blue-green male. Although they can live for 30 years, Humphead wrasse are endangered due to overfishing, export trade, and threats to their coral reef habitat. Bright yellow and up to 10 inches long, these worm-like mollusks are simultaneous hermaphrodites, meaning they don't change back and forth, but use their male and female reproductive organs at the same time. Although capable of self-fertilization, most banana slugs prefer to find a partner. When it comes time to mate, 2 slugs curl around one another and engage in a reciprocal exchange of sperm that fertilizes each slug's eggs. In some creatures, like butterflies, the split is visible over their entire bodies. Some like aids, butterflies display a rare dual condition called gynandromorphism that can cause male and female traits to be arranged either haphazardly or bilaterally, with one side male and the other equally female. This unique phenomenon occurs in approximately 1 in 10,000 butterflies. Bilateral gynandromorphism also occasionally shows up in northern cardinals. Since male and female cardinals have different coloration, it's easy to spot a gynandromorph which has brown-grey female feathers on one half and bright red male feathers on the other. According to a study, gynandromorph cardinals not only look different, but they also act differently, at least the one researchers observed from 2008 to 2010. For years, researchers have observed frogs spontaneously changing sex in the lab. Now they have done the same studies in the wild. Their work suggests that sex change, complete with fully functioning reproductive organs, may be fairly commonplace among green frog populations. While prior research indicated that sex reversal in frogs may be related to pollution introduced by humans, the same scientists' current research suggests that the change may be a natural occurrence in amphibians. Some female snakes, such as copperheads, are capable of virgin birth, or parthenogenesis, meaning the female fertilizes their own eggs without a male sexual partner. While not technically a reversal, this is an ability to carry out the reproductive functions of both sexes at once, and not as a hermaphrodite. With facultative parthenogenesis, a special cell called a polar body that's produced with an egg sometimes acts like a sperm to fertilize it. Green sea turtle embryos are also temperature sensitive. The warmer the sand where eggs are laid, the more females are born. In fact, According to a study, sea turtle hatchlings from beaches near Australia's Great Barrier Reef, where global warming is particularly intense, were 8% to 8% female. 11 on cooler beaches to the south, female hatchlings ranged from 65% to 69%. What impact might this dramatic sex imbalance have? The researchers conclude that females may seek mates in cooler climates, so reproduction continues. However, if too many females can't find a mate, sea turtle populations, which are already endangered, could severely decline. Quoting sexuality historian Alice Dreger, "Nature's dealing with conformity all the time in brutal ways and loving ways and all the rest of it. It doesn't follow the human fantasy of everybody having to be normal. And humans don't follow that ridiculous idea either." Thank you for watching us. Subscribe to the channel and explore this world with us.